Hello and welcome to a new video in my channel. This is Rami, and today a new video in the car detailing series, and it's about foam cannons. So I've reviewed this foam cannon from Amazon. It's called the Stone Banks. It's about 20 pounds from Amazon UK, and the equivalent, there's an equivalent one to it in Amazon US for about 18 US dollar or so. I'm gonna leave links in the description for you guys to check them out. So I've seen some tricks and adjustments can be made to this snow foam cannon, cheap adjustments to make it produce more foam. So I have tested it on the car using snow foam from Brooklyn. It produces a good amount of foam. I cannot say thick foam as you can see on some of the satisfying videos or produced by high quality foam cannons like the MJJC. However, there are a couple of pieces, if changed, they're supposed to produce more foam. So the first piece is this little guy. So this one should go inside here. So we're gonna take this out and put this in place. What it does is it has a narrower opening. It's 1.1 millimeter, and it's supposed to increase the pressure inside the cannon to produce more foam. And second part is the filter, which is a squished metal filter, and it goes in here. So we're gonna take this apart and replace it with this. I'm not sure what's inside here. Maybe it's similar to these already. Only one way to check out. So let's get started and take it apart and see if replacing these will make any difference. Alright, so to take the adapter off, simply grab kind of wrench and start unscrewing the adapter, then continue by hand, and we will see here this little thing that needs to be changed. Let's see if there's much of a difference. I can't see really much of a difference here, but let's unscrew it and see inside. So this is the original one, and this is the new one. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's visible on the camera, but I can tell that this one, the new one, is narrower than This is before changing the orifice. So foam is not too bad, but it's very runny. Let's see with the new 1.1 mil orifice how it performs. Now with the 1.1 mil orifice, let's see. Yeah, definitely thicker. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check all the links in the description for all the products that I use in this video, and see you next time.